and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can remove blackheads from your nose with the help of Photoshop. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here is our image. Right click on the background layer and choose duplicate layer. Hit OK. Go to the adjustment layer and choose black and white. Adjust the reds and yellow sliders in such a way that the blackheads are visible properly. Now, below the black and white layer, create a curves adjustment layer. Bring the shadow slider a little up and adjust it accordingly. Create a new layer below the adjustment layer by clicking on this icon. From the toolbar, select the healing brush tool. Make sure that the sample is checked to current and below. Now, hit Alt or Option to select a clean area and start painting on the marks. Do it all over the area where the blackheads are present. When done, delete both the adjustment layers. Click Layer 1 and Background Copy and hit Ctrl or Command plus Alt or Option plus Shift plus E to merge all the layers. Right-click and convert the layers to Smart Object. Now, press Ctrl or Command I to invert the layer and change its blending mode to Vivid Light. Go to Filter, Other and choose High Pass. Change the radius to around 3.8 and hit OK. Again go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Change the radius as per your image and hit OK. Now select the layer and click on Vector Mask icon over here. Click Ctrl or Command plus I to invert the mask. Choose a soft brown brush with white as the foreground color and start painting on the nose area. Keep doing it until you get that perfect look, but remember not to overdo it. And there you have it. With a few simple techniques, you can remove blackheads from your photos and achieve that flawless look in no time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.